Helo pawb a croeso I vlog yr wythnos yma. Hello all and welcome to this week's vlog. We've had another busy week with the NFU Cymru team, and the first 2 days of the week both Abby Reader and myself spent down in Stoneleigh with NFU Council. Now, as always, it's a very busy agenda and we have lots to discuss, and part of the discussion we had was the ongoing negotiation between the EU and the UK government on the sanitary phytosanitary, or the SPS agreement. Now, this is a massive piece of work and it's vitally important for Welsh agriculture that we get this right, and for instance that we continue to allow to be able to use the plant protection products available to us. Also, as part of council, we had the sobering report from health and safety, where we learned another 28 souls were lost due to agriculture related accidents. Now, we owe it to ourselves, our families and to our staff that before we set off every morning, that we keep health and safety paramount in our minds and that we all work safely. Also during the week, we caught up with NFU Cymru's dairy team and their work ongoing during this crisis in the industry, where they are making sure that everybody within the industry is working equitably together. So, dyna ni am wythnos yma. There you go for this week. We've got another busy week ahead of us and I look forward to giving you the next report.